Welcome to my channel A to Z Tech Group. Today we are going to review the Handi set. It has five Handi sets with lids. This has been ordered from the Flipkart for 800 rupees and has been delivered in 2 days time. So let's see this. Okay. So you can see the lids. I think they given 5 lids, and the lids are of very good quality and also heavy. It's of good material and very heavy. So yeah, I think this looks good. So we have 3 lids plus 2 big ones. All are of good quality and very heavy material also. Also we have 5 Handi sets. So the big one, this one is of 2.1 liter capacity and is of very good quality. You can see steel and copper bottom base, and it is also heavy. Then the next one is of 1.6 liter capacity. This is also very heavy, of good quality. And the third one is of 1.1 liter capacity. This is also heavy. You can see steel and copper bottom base. The remaining 2 are, this is 0.75 liter capacity and this is 0.5, that means a half liter capacity. All are of good quality, so you can go for it. I highly recommend this. You can see the lids are also fitting properly. So these 2 are for big ones, and this is for this 0.75 liter. And this one is for this, this is for 1.1 liter and this is 0.75 liter. You can see it is fitting very nicely. And this one is the small one, 0.5 liter capacity. Okay. Since all these Handis are having this copper base bottom, you can heat it in gas also, and sometimes you can cook it also. So it's of very good quality. The lids and everything are fitting properly. This one I have ordered it in Flipkart for 800 rupees.